Anulom Vilom is a very powerful pranayam and very good for mental health and focus. It is also called as Nadi Shodhan. We all should integrate in our life. It helps to improve blood circulation and lung health capacity. It helps to improve respiratory and cardiovascular system. Anulom Vilom help us to relieve hypertension, slow down breath and heart rate. Regular practicing of this yoga kriya gives significant result in stress and anxiety. Those who have started practicing first time of this yoga kriya, things to remember. If you take 5 seconds to breathe in, use the same time to breathe out. Once you are habitual, try to hold your breath for a longer period. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification for more informative yoga videos.